Well, listen, I think one of the important things that people need to realize is the quality of wood today is not half as good as it was 30, 40, 50 years ago. And so if you have a wood door in your house built in the 40s or 50s, it's going to be significantly better than a wood door you buy today. Literally, it could be 70 years old and it's still going to perform better than new wood. So wood's nowhere near the same quality, okay? So I love the look of a wood door. I hate the way it performs. And so the reality is as a homeowner, you're gonna have to make a trade-off. You can get a wood door that looks great and will last you at best 10 years, at best. Or you get a fiberglass door that's gonna last you 30, 40 years and look very, very nice and very close to like a wood. The problem, again, wood's nowhere near the same quality, the same species as it was 40, 50, 60 years ago. And most of the time you see wood doors in magazines or custom homes, it's in California, it's in South Carolina, it's nowhere near cold, it's nowhere near snow. They normally have a huge overhanger awning or a huge front porch so water doesn't get within 10 feet of it. That's not really the case you see in Kansas City. And so the reality is any new wood entry door is not gonna last. I can't tell you how many times I have people call me on multi-million-dollar homes that aren't even 10 years old and they want a new wood door. And I'm happy to do it, but I have to explain to them, it wasn't a crummy builder grade wood. This is what a wood door does. It's gonna be hard to open in 7, 8 years. It's not gonna last.